So notice a few differences between Jaclyn Hill 03 and the M439. She says they're the same, but they're not. This one's more dense. This one has more move. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. See if it gives the same effect. So it's definitely softer than the M439, but I didn't mind the application. It did blend it out really nicely. It's soft on the face, so it doesn't feel harsh. So I don't mind it. Overall, I think it's giving me the same coverage and blending effect as the M439. So I was kind of worried about that, but never mind. I like it. So one of the brushes I was excited to try was her Jaclyn Hill 08. It's an anything creamy brush, and all of our products are cream based, so I'm excited to see how it blends out the shadow here. I'm gonna go in with Candlelight. Here we go. So not bad, actually. I really like it. Again, it's soft. It's dual fiber. It's just the right density, but it's really soft on the skin. I'm really impressed with that. Feels amazing. The fact that it's soft, especially like on this area, delicate area of the skin, your eyelids, is really a plus, because it's not gonna further tug, drag your skin around. You know what I mean? I'm going to do a little under eye highlight and concealer just to try the brush out. This is not like my everyday thing, but let's try it. Let's see how it does. It's not bad, to be honest. It's blending it out pretty well. These are our color concealers. They are super creamy. And again, it's just so soft on the skin. I'm like really impressed. I like that. I really like it. And quickly contour using her Perfect Contour brush. It's the JH05. I've been obsessed with the Morphe R14, so we'll see, because this one is smaller. I'm going to go ahead and contour really quick using her JH05. I've been obsessed with the R14. But this is smaller, so we'll see the difference. I'm going to go in light because I don't know how well it's going to blend, so we'll see. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I like it. Not bad, you guys. I really didn't have to work that hard to blend it out and keep it in that area, because everyone struggles sometimes with like going past here and dropping it too low. Easy. Wow. I'm impressed, you guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more on this side, just right here. Yeah, it blends out like a dream. And I wonder, I'm not gonna add extra product, but it's definitely easier just to slightly bronze up or contour your nose too, because it's smaller. I'm not mad at it. I like it. And up here, and up here. Let me just try the nose. Not bad, you guys. I'm really impressed. This little thing. Yeah, and it doesn't retain a lot of product. It's like it just blends it out perfectly on your skin. Okay, she really doesn't have a stippling brush for my cream blush the way I like it. So I'm just going to go in with our Real Techniques, the stippling brush dual fiber. It's amazing. I'm just going to do that really quick and then I'll see what other brushes. So blush is on. I'm not doing major eye makeup today, but I do want to try like her very fluffy blending brush with our cream products. So maybe I'll grab that real quick. I'm going to try this JH30. She calls it Beast Mode blending brush. I'm going to go in with some Mocha Java. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay. Well, I haven't tried them all, but so far, you guys, I'm obsessed. Yep. Her brushes blend out our shadow scents like a dream. I love it. Okay, one last brush because I like to do my lower lash. I'm going to do her JH37. She calls it the Perfect Blender brush, but I think, or I can't remember. I think it should be called the Baby Blender brush because it's tiny. Okay, so with my lower lash line, I just like to add product right down here, like this, and then take a brush like this. Perfect. It fits perfect in there. And then just smudge it. You guys, that was seriously so easy. I am a firm believer that your tools matter with certain products, especially cream. I love it. So overall, on the new Jaclyn Hill brushes, the Master Collection, I am very impressed. I love it. I love the way my makeup applied and blended out. I didn't go in with a complex eye at all, so I'm excited to try the rest of them. But I will definitely give it 2 thumbs up. All the stars. I really love them and I recommend it for anyone who's trying to up their makeup tool game. Go get you some because they're worth it. I love it. And on my lips, in case anybody wants to know, is Lip Scent pre-mixed in Hurricane Red and Persimmon, topped with Pearl Gloss. And if you didn't know what Lip Scent was, it's the lipstick that doesn't come off. It doesn't feather and it doesn't budge.